I personally am not the best at Photoshop CS. I'm better at, no, it's Photoshop CC. That's what I'm not good at. I'm better at CS6. But this is what I have at work, and I'm using this here. Not to unethically use their software, but I'm actually doing this because I need to use Photoshop sometimes because I demanded it from my boss. If you're gonna have me over here doing Photoshop stuff, I want to use a real version of Photoshop that you purchase, and I don't want to get in trouble like those guys got in Atlanta and other places for using bad software or stolen software. So this is CC. And my biggest issue is some of my shortcuts from my early Photoshop days do not work here. So I'm struggling with this Apple symbol. I'm struggling to basically turn a black image into a white image, and I finally got it. I'm good. My issue is smart layers. I'm not used to those. I'm used to dumb layers. As you can clearly see in just a moment, I'm going to try to adjust this here. Yep, can't adjust it. And I'm going to try to, yep, still can't adjust it. I'm screwing up here. So why am I showing you this here? I'm showing you this because I recorded this here. It was practice for me to go into Photoshop and try to make some modifications. Basically what you're seeing is me trying to figure out exactly where I want my stickers on my car. I did switch cars recently, and I'm using an old Alabama license plate. I've already hollowed out my New York plates, and now what am I doing now? I'm zooming in a little bit. Ooh, look at that. Somebody knows how to use the zoom tool. So the Apple symbol, I'm trying to figure out, do I want it on the top? There we go. And this here, this is the Great Seal of Alabama. And this is one of those things where I show you my layering technique. So I moved it from one layer to the next layer, and now I'm just slightly adjusting it. So now it looks more photorealistic. There we go. Photorealistic, people. I have my coffee. So basically, I'm going to redo this here, and I'm going to do it again in the Photoshop that I'm used to using. But I did touch up the body a little bit. I got some scratches out. There's some obvious scratches on my car. But I'm trying to do a 1, 2, 3 setup. So that was placement number 1, I believe. And this is, I'm looking for placement number 2. How can I place? Should I put my sticker over there? The size is not really accurate, but I think that's good enough. So that's 1, 2. That's position number 2. Now, where is position number 3 gonna be? I should have put position number 3 right next to the Alabama seal, but I just chose to go for this one here for number 3. So this is number 3. And the question that my viewers on another channel is gonna get is, where should I put my stickers?